Hi guys!
This is my
This is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Smart ka ba?
10% IQ.
10% IQ daw. So, if you found money lying around at school, what would you do with it? For example, pupunta ka sa comfort room, sa toilet, tapos biglang may nakita kang blue bill, a 1,000 peso money bill or bill.
I'll ask every teacher, do you own this? Do you own this? Do you own this? Or I will give it to the teacher and say, teacher, who owns this?
Wow, very good. Good job. Yun talaga ang dapat mo. Baka naman ilalagay mo yan sa bag mo.
Blue bills?
Baka ilalagay mo sa bag mo.
Gusto ko 1 million. Blue bills ang baba-baba. At kay teacher naman yun, mag-iipot naman ako yun.
Okay, very good naman yung sagot ni Arel.
How about you, Mima?
Well, actually, kung ako saan ko ba makikita? Depende yan kasi sa lugar eh.
Okay.
Oh.
Your turn.
Teka muna. Depende kasi yan sa lugar. Paano kung sa street ko mapulot? O paano mo hahanapin ang owner nun? Diba? Mahirap naman.
Okay, Mima, I have a question.
Sige.
Wait, I have a
Well,
question.
good job ka doon, ha? Good job. Gayahin niyo yung kids, ha? Sinabi ni Arella na pagtatanong, huwag mo na maingay. Pagtatanong niya sa mga teachers who owns the money. Very good. Good job. Yeah. So, thank you for watching, guys. Ganun ang gawin natin mga kids, ha? Sa mga kids out there. Lahat ng mga pupulot nyo or makikita nyong bagay, kahit hindi money, anything. Kung meron naman kayong pagkakataon or any chance na, for example nga sa school, may makita na hindi sa inyo, i-surrender sa lost and found or pumunta sa...
Wala na kaming lost and found box.
Wala na kayo lost and found box. Basta dalhin sa office na nakakaalam dun sa mga lost and found sa school.
Wala nga kaming lost and found. Nawala na.
Okay, pero siguro yung mga malalaking school meron.
Baka grade 3. Kasi pinost ni teacher 2024, 2025 lost and found. Pero, may yung table namin. May table kami na pag may
You
nawala,
speak in English. Ayoko ng po Tagalog.
if we have a table that if your tumbler is lost, if you don't know who owns the tumbler, put it on our lost and found table.
Okay.
Teacher asks, who owns this tumbler?
So you only have table na, wala ng lost and found box. Okay. Good job.
Teacher will collect the tumblers that kids left. Or pag ayaw ni teacher lagay sa table, lalagay sa table namin.
Okay. Ang ganda naman ganang gagawin ni Arella. Bait naman ni Arella. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.